Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest and in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest beauty products. Today, we're diving into a product that might just be a game changer for anyone dealing with nail fungus damage. We're talking about the Kerasal Nighttime Renewal Fungal Nail Patches. These patches promise to restore a healthy appearance to your nails while you sleep. But do they really deliver on that promise? Let's find out. Kerasal Nighttime Renewal. Fungal nail patches are designed specifically for nails that have been damaged by fungus. Unlike many prescription treatments, which focus solely on eliminating the fungus, Kerasal goes a step further. These patches work to reduce discoloration, normalize nail thickness, and smooth out the surface of the nail. The formula includes moisturizing and exfoliating agents like urea and glycerin, which deeply penetrate the nail plate over an 8-hour period, making these patches perfect for overnight use. Using these patches is straightforward, and they're designed to stay in place for a full 6-8 hours, providing continuous treatment. Simply apply them before bed, and let them do the work while you sleep. The instructions recommend consistent use for 3-6 months for best results, which might seem like a long commitment, but this is often necessary for treating severely damaged nails. In terms of performance, many users report visible improvement after just a few weeks of use. The patches effectively reduce nail discoloration and thickening, which are common issues associated with nail fungus. However, it's important to manage expectations. These patches are designed to improve the appearance of your nails, not to cure the fungal infection itself. For that, you'd need to seek a prescription treatment. On the plus side, the patches are easy to apply and remove, and they're relatively comfortable to wear overnight. They adhere well to the nail, so you don't have to worry about them slipping off during the night. The convenience of an overnight treatment is a significant advantage for those who don't have time to apply multiple treatments throughout the day. Now, on to the cons. The most notable drawback is the time commitment. As mentioned, achieving the best results can take several months, which might be a bit daunting for some users. Additionally, at around $28 for a pack of 14 patches, the cost can add up over time, especially if you're treating multiple nails. Comparing this to other treatments on the market, Kerasal stands out for its dual-action approach, improving the appearance of the nail while also providing a continuous treatment. Some products might offer faster results, but they often don't address the cosmetic issues that come with nail fungus, which Kerasal does quite effectively. If you're finding this review helpful so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more reviews like this. Your support helps us bring you more great content and helps others discover our channel too. In terms of value for money, Kerasal Nighttime Renewal Fungal Nail Patches offer a reasonable solution for those looking to improve the appearance of their nails without resorting to more invasive treatments. The build quality is solid. These are well-made patches that do what they claim, provided you're consistent with their use. However, for those on a budget, there are cheaper alternatives available that, while perhaps not as effective in appearance improvement, still get the job done in treating the fungus itself. In conclusion, if you're struggling with nails damaged by fungus and are looking for a non-prescription option to restore their appearance, Kerasal Nighttime Renewal Fungal Nail Patches are worth considering. They're particularly suited for those who can commit to the nightly routine over several months. But if you're looking for a quicker fix or something more budget-friendly, you might want to explore other options. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. If you're interested in trying out the Kerasal Nighttime Renewal Fungal Nail Patches, you can find the link in the description box below. As always, feel free to drop any questions you have in the comments, or if you've tried this product, let us know what you think. We love hearing from you.